Welcome to IT Care Technology, the best laptop repair shop in Kanpur. Discover our range of high-quality second-hand laptops at unbeatable prices. With a stellar 4.9-star rating on Google, we pride ourselves on top-notch service. Experience the best in laptop repairs and customer care at IT Care Technology. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the finest service in Kanpur. For all your laptop needs, trust the experts at IT Care Technology. Join our satisfied customers and experience excellence in laptop repair. IT Care Technology, your one-stop shop for all things laptop related. Visit us today and discover why we are the best in the business. IT Care Technology, where quality service meets unbeatable prices.